ครับในคืนวันแรกเองนะครับ Electrolux Professional เนี่ยก็ได้จัดกาล่าดินเนอร์นะครับให้เราได้มีโอกาสพูดคุยกับดีลเลอร์เจ้าอื่นๆนะครับในเชิงลึกมากขึ้นตรงนั้นเองเนี่ยผมก็เลยมีโอกาสที่อยากจะสัมภาษณ์นะครับดีลเลอร์บางท่านว่าทำไมเขาถึงตัดสินใจเลือก Electrolux Professional เนี่ยมาเป็นพาร์ทเนอร์ทางธุรกิจแล้วก็เลือกสินค้าเลือกเครื่องจักรของ Electrolux เนี่ยมานำเสนอในธุรกิจสะดวกซักในประเทศของเขานะครับซึ่งทุกคนเนี่ยถ้าโดยขมวดรวมแล้วนะครับจริงๆเขาก็มีความประทับใจแล้วก็หลายๆคนเองเนี่ยทำรีเสิร์ชมาเยอะมากก่อนที่จะตัดสินใจเลือกไปกับ Electrolux นะครับแล้วก็อย่างหนึ่งที่ฟังแล้วเราก็รู้สึกเห็นอนาคตนะครับแล้วก็มีความน่าสนใจก็คือว่าทุกๆประเทศเองเนี่ยสามารถที่จะยังเติบโตในธุรกิจสะดวกซักเนี่ยได้อยู่นะครับเดี๋ยวเราไปฟังจากปากของคนเหล่านี้กันเลยครับ
Could you explain and share the story of why you choose Electrolux Professional?
We do our research on machines, and I guess looking at the machines, we were new to machines. So we found that Electrolux machines were reliable, they were durable, they were environmentally friendly, and even like I spoke about today, I think the fact that they're recyclable after life too, which is super important to us because that fits our bill and our story for e-com laundry room.
And what do you think is the benefit to the end consumer?
Oh, they get a great wash dry experience while helping the environment. So I think there's added value. It's not just about the wash and dry they do, they're also helping participate in helping the environment on the planet we live on. I think the fact they use less water, less power, and obviously gas, that bottom line looks so much better.
We understand that Electrolux has many things to offer, especially to the customers, and Electrolux never gave us some problems at this moment. We trust Electrolux from the beginning. We believe that Electrolux is still the best in the market because as a distributor will be like critical on the after sales service. The only one brand that for me is a guarantee. So the business will be sustained. The machines has been tested, international approved. About the efficiency. The machine is very robust. In Indonesia, one of the customers has been using the machine since 1945 and still using very well. Even though it's only mechanical now, it's the proof that Electrolux is very robust and proven. We can rely on Electrolux.
They remember the name Electrolux, like the domestic or the home appliance. Firstly, because the domestic machine inside the hotel enough capacity to do their work. Secondly, for the koi laundry business and self-service laundry business in Vietnam start to grow. It's about the right time. I entered the business like 2014. Not until 2018, I started open the first shop named
nice.
Oh My Wash, just to do R&D and for the customer to test. So Electrolux is still in the heart of a lot of customers in Vietnam.
It's a brand, it's a culture, and it's the people behind it. I would say we've been a good journey with Electrolux. The first thing that you're going to say, you are carrying Electrolux, and that probably changes many perceptions because when you say Electrolux, it attached to the quality. We have so many business partners in the Philippines, and when they came into the partnership because they know Electrolux is part of the organization.
Today we have a very wide range. Thanks to the recent acquisition of Tosei, we have the new combo machine, which is coming up with Electrolux Professional. So today we have the full range. We want to leverage the connectivity, the cashless payment system that is coming, as well as we are strengthening our organization to have more internal knowledge about the coin. Every laundry are not the same. They require a different expertise, and we want to leverage that. If somebody wants to enter in a shop, an unknown brand, maybe they are not have confidence. Electrolux Professional, they know, especially in Thailand, is a very strong brand. It's a company that is more than 120 years. We want to remain for another 120 years. So they know that the company is there to support. When we say support, availability of parts, service, somebody can help them to carry on for business. We are only looking for customers. They're looking for long-term relationship because we are here to stay with them for a long time.
One unique ecosystem for the full business of Electrolux Professional, meaning food, beverage, and laundry. So with one ecosystem, you can cover this different environment. Many actors on the market, we will offer a solution for the payments. So payment apps, cashless payments solution to support wash and fold activities. But on top of this, because we have access to the machine brain, we want also to offer remote access on the machine, remote diagnostics to change the price, possibility to support when there is an issue, remotely update the firmware, so to reduce all the pain points that our partners and customers face when they have reduced the pain points and increase the benefits of the business. It's a bit, it's good.
Is our dealers and also end users to make our professionals, people more profitable and more efficient and more sustainable. Achieve that mission, we like to grow our business and we like to become a global #1 commercial laundry provider. We have very advanced technology for energy saving because sustainability is our core value. So we have heat pump technology, we have energy efficient water extraction technology, heating technologies. Those are the advantages of Electrolux Professional.
Thank you very much.
Really helps.
Thank you very much.
Good luck.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
ในอีเวนต์นี้เองนะครับก็เป็นความภาคภูมิใจหนึ่งของ WASHENJOY นะครับบริษัท Clean Star Solution ก็คือทาง Electrolux Professional เนี่ยได้ให้รางวัลกับเรานะครับที่ perform ในการขายเนี่ยได้ดีมากๆนะครับซึ่งเราก็ทราบมาว่าจริงๆแล้วตอนนี้ Clean Star เนี่ยก็เป็นดีลเลอร์อันดับ2นะครับในภูมิภาคเอเชียแปซิฟิกเรียกว่าเราก็ดีใจแล้วก็ต้องขอบคุณผู้ลงทุนทุกๆคนที่ผ่านมาด้วยเหมือนกันที่ทำให้เรามาถึงจุดนี้แล้วก็ได้ประสบความสำเร็จนะครับซึ่งตรงนี้เองเนี่ยมันก็เป็นกำลังใจกับเราที่จะคงดูแลลูกค้าของเรานะครับเจ้าของร้านของเราเนี่ยเป็นอย่างดีต่อไปอีกนานๆนะครับ